If you're watching this video, you need to know one thing. The crypto market we once knew is ending. 2026 marks a new beginning, a point of no return. Bitcoin, stablecoins, the rules of the game, and everything is changing, and much faster than traditional investors are willing to accept. That's why being prepared is essential. And the truth is simple. Only those who have the right tools will stay competitive. And soon you'll understand why Altrady will be the only platform able to guide you in this new landscape. Pure decentralization was the original vision, but today the reality is different. States are entering the crypto market, governments are acquiring digital reserves, financial institutions are integrating digital assets into national strategies. This doesn't make crypto less important, it makes it far more strategic. Bitcoin is no longer an outsider, it's becoming a variable of economic power. Today, there are companies that exist solely to buy Bitcoin. These are corporate balance sheets built around Bitcoin as if it were digital gold. ETFs have a bigger influence than retail traders. The result? Bitcoin responds to macro cycles, political decisions, and global liquidity. If you're not following these signals, you're trading blind. Let's talk about stablecoins. States are accelerating regulations and controls. Central banks are studying how to integrate them into new digital systems. Whether you like it or not, the future of payments and perhaps the entire monetary system will run through them. And for traders, everything changes. Liquidity, speed, and the very structure of markets will be rewritten. We can't compete with trillion-dollar funds on their battlefield, but we can anticipate their moves. How? With data, market flows, liquidity analysis, institutional movements, and macro correlations. Anyone stuck in the old way of trading will be wiped out by a market that's faster, more complex, and less predictable. The rules of 2026 are clear. Institutional liquidity dominates trends. Monetary policy drives Bitcoin. Stablecoins will be the regulated bridge to the digital future. Volatility will become stronger and more sudden. If you're not reading these forces, you're not trading, you're gambling. And here we reach the most important point. In the markets of the future, having a chart and a few indicators won't be enough. You'll need intelligent market scanners, real-time liquidity analysis, multi-exchange visibility, advanced execution tools, institutional flow tracking, intelligent automations, dashboard integrated with macro data, alerts based on real market behavior, not background noise. And that's why Altrady will become the essential platform for every trader who wants to survive in the new ecosystem. Not just simply a trading terminal, but a navigation system for future of digital markets. The change has already begun, and those who don't move now will be left behind. If you want to keep up, if you want to evolve, if you want to be among those who understand the new order of the market, then Altrady is your home. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and get ready for the next step. Because the future of trading waits for no one.